Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Teryx 4 accessories is probably one of the most exciting topics for any UTV enthusiast. The Kawasaki Teryx 4 is a fantastic machine, but adding the right accessories can truly transform your off-road experience. From enhancing performance and protection to boosting utility and comfort, the right upgrades can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore some of the top accessories to consider for your Kawasaki Teryx 4, helping you build the ultimate adventure machine. Number 5. KEMIMOTO Teryx Soft Rear Windshield. This KEMIMOTO UTV rear window is designed specifically for Teryx 4800 models from 2013 to 2025. It's made from high-quality, waterproof materials to withstand various weather conditions. Crafted from high-quality PVC film and 1680 denier Oxford fabric, it's built to last. This windshield is designed to resist wind and prevent cracks or tears. Installation is quick and easy with self-adhesive and buckle straps. You can also roll or fold it up for convenient storage without taking up much space. The design ensures drivers and passengers have a clear view of what's behind them. It provides protection while maintaining sufficient visibility for safe driving. Equipped with reflective strips, the soft rear window enhances visibility in the dark. This feature ensures a safer journey during nighttime drives. Say goodbye to dust, wind, rain, and debris with this rear windshield. It provides a more comfortable and enjoyable ride, protecting you from the elements. What we like. This rear windshield keeps dust, rain, and debris out, ensuring a comfortable ride. It's easy to install with self-adhesive and buckle straps, saving you time and effort. If you frequently drive in dusty or rainy conditions, or if you want to keep your passengers and yourself clean, this is a great choice. What people say. Looks like a well-built rear window. Installed in about 5 minutes on 2024 Teryx 4. Fits my Teryx perfectly. Kept the rear passengers in my 4-seater dry and clean on a muddy pouring rain day and also clean from dust on a dry logging road day that had so much dust the back window was covered so I couldn't see out. Easy to install. No issues with it. Clear enough to see through. Number 4. SuperATV Kawasaki Teryx 4 Rear Cargo Box. Tired of limited storage in your Kawasaki Teryx 4? This heavy-duty rear cargo box from SuperATV is the perfect solution. It maximizes your storage capacity, keeping your gear safe and dry. This cargo box features a rubber seal and heavy-duty latches, ensuring your belongings stay protected from water, mud, and other elements. It's designed to keep everything secure, no matter the terrain. Need more space? This box offers a generous 67-quart capacity, with dimensions of 52x14 to 38x12 to 45. Plus, it includes 4 built-in cup holders for added convenience. Installing this cargo box is a breeze. It's designed to fit your Kawasaki Teryx 4 perfectly, so you can quickly and easily upgrade your UTV's storage capabilities. SuperATV is a family-owned business that takes product quality seriously. They design and test all their accessories in their manufacturing facility. Order yours today. What we like. This cargo box maximizes your Teryx's storage with a 67-quart capacity. It features built-in cup holders for convenience and a rubber seal to keep your items dry. If you are looking for extra storage space for gear, drinks, or anything else you need on the trail, this cargo box is perfect for you. What people say. Excellent quality. Absolutely perfect. Looks great and fits the 2024 model. Fit our up like a glove and perfect for small ice chest, folding chairs, helmets. Great to have this to store our things safely and not all dusty. Number 3. StarknightMT Teryx 4800 Rear Window. Introducing the StarknightMT Teryx Rear Window. It's designed to keep wind, spray, snow, and dust out of your cab. This means a much cleaner and more comfortable ride for you and your passengers. This rear dust panel is compatible with the Teryx 4800 models from 2013 to 2024. Please note that it is not compatible with all Teryx 4LE models. Make sure it fits your specific UTV. The Teryx back window features a soft, transparent PVC panel and durable waterproof fabric. Reflective straps add extra visibility. It can be easily rolled up or folded for storage when not in use. Made from durable Oxford fabric with a waterproof coating, this rear windshield is built to last. The thickened PVC panel prevents cracks and tears, even in high winds. Plus, the UV coating protects it from fading in the sun. Installing the Teryx 4800 back window is a breeze. It uses self-adhesive straps and buckle straps for a secure fit. You can have it installed in just a few minutes. What we like. This rear window effectively blocks wind, spray, snow, and dust. Constructed from durable Oxford fabric with a waterproof coating, it ensures longevity. If you want to keep the dust out of your cab and keep your passengers comfortable, this is the perfect solution. What people say. Arrived today and my husband and son had it on in less than 10 minutes. Easy install. Clear as glass and looks nice. Fits great, can see clearly, very good. This window is simple to put on and take off. I put it on before each ride and take it off after each ride. I purchased this to keep the dust from being sucked into the cab from the rear, and boy does it help immensely. The dust in the cab was reduced by at least 90%, which is a dramatic improvement when traveling the dusty trails we drive on. Number 2. SuperATV Kawasaki Teryx Flip-Down Windshield. This is the SuperATV Flip-Down Windshield, designed for your Kawasaki Teryx. It offers versatile weather protection, allowing you to switch between full and half windshield configurations. This gives you the flexibility to adapt to changing conditions. This windshield is designed to fit various Kawasaki Teryx models from 2016 and later, including the Teryx 800, Teryx 4800, Teryx S, and Teryx 4S. It is compatible with most hard or soft tops. Please note that it is not compatible with roof TRX 800. Enjoy the convenience of a 2-in-1 design. Keep it full to block out cold and rain, or flip it down for a refreshing breeze on sunny days. It's easy to switch between the two configurations. The windshield is made of 1/4-inch polycarbonate, which is incredibly strong. It's 250 times stronger than glass and 25 times stronger than acrylic, making it virtually indestructible. This ensures it can withstand tough conditions. It features XR optic hard coating for superior scratch and abrasion resistance. This coating also protects against chemicals and harmful UV rays. This helps keep the windshield looking new for years. Installation is quick and easy. Simply apply the full-length bulb seal and install the 2 tie-down points to your hood. There's no drilling required. The heavy-duty Velcro straps secure the front flip windscreen to the frame. What we like. This windshield offers the flexibility of a full or half windshield. Made from robust polycarbonate, it's incredibly scratch-resistant. If you like adapting to changing weather conditions and want a durable, easy-to-install windshield, this is the one for you. What people say. Fits as it should. Installed this on my 2019 Teryx 4 Low in about 20 minutes by myself. Cuts the wind down dramatically. Number 1. SuperATV Black Ops Winch Kit for Kawasaki Teryx. Are you tired of getting stuck on the trail? This complete winch kit is exactly what you need to ensure you're never stranded. It includes everything you need for a quick and easy installation. This kit is designed for a perfect fit on your Kawasaki Teryx. It comes with a heavy-duty winch mounting kit. You can get back on the trail quickly. This winch features a powerful 12V motor and a 4,500 pounds, rated line pull. It's 100% waterproof, so it can handle any condition. This winch is ready for any challenge. The winch includes a 50-foot synthetic rope. It is strong and reliable. It is ready to get you out of any situation. This kit is designed for easy installation on your Kawasaki Teryx. The mounting holes are 3-inch x 658, 76mm x 169mm, 3x478, 76mm x 124mm. You'll be back on the trail in no time. What we like. This complete kit includes a powerful 4,500 pounds winch and a heavy-duty mounting plate. It's designed to be a bolt-on solution, making installation straightforward. If you are looking for a reliable winch to get you out of tough spots, this kit is a must-have. What people say. The Kawasaki Teryx 4 accessories are well designed. The product works as advertised. The features are functional. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.